First we are going to draw the rough diagram. Okay, so two angles are already given here, that is angle M is 50 degree and angle D is 100 degrees. So the baseline I am going to consider this as M and this one as D. So this quadrilateral M I and ND is going to be like this. Okay, and they have given us M is 50 degrees, so it will be somewhat like this. Okay, and then angle D is 100 degree. Obtuse angle, the mouth will be opened wide. Okay, and then now I am going to consider this MI 3.6 centimeter and then N and D is 4 centimeter. This M and D we have already drawn it as 4 centimeter. Okay, now you are going to join this line I and N. Okay, so this is the required quadrilateral. Shall we construct the fair diagram now? Since two angles are given, we are going to consider this M and D to be the baseline. Okay, so I am going to draw this MD as a baseline 4 centimeter. Okay, and then angle M is 50 degree. Shall we draw 50 degree? When the angle is lesser than 90, the mouth should be closed, right? So we are going to take this one as 50 degree and then join the line. Okay, so this is 50 degree, and the next angle D is 100 degree. When it is above 90, the mouth should be open wide, right? So I am going to keep it here, and then which 100 you will consider, this one or this one? The open one. So this one only is open wide. Okay, and then we are going to join these two lines and mark it as 100 degree. So already this one is drawn, D is drawn, MD baseline also we have drawn. Next, the quadrilateral goes like M, I, N and D. So this one should be N and this one this one should be I and this one should be N. Okay, now MI value is 3.6. Shall we measure 3.6 using the scale now? So 3.6 should be from M, we are going to cut an arc 3.6. Okay, so this is I. And the next one is N and D. The value is 4 centimeter. Again take your compass and measure 4 centimeter. Okay, so from D it is going to be here. What is the next step? We are going to join this I and N and form the quadrilateral. Okay, so this is the quadrilateral. To find the height of the two triangles, we need a diagonal line. So I am going to join this I and D, or you can join M and N, anything you can join. Okay, after joining this, what we should do? We should take the set square. Keep your scale like this and then move your set square and find the height of this triangle. Okay, now I am going to draw a dotted line. Okay, next one, I am going to keep the scale this side and then take this set square and move it like this. Okay, so this point is going to be the height of the second triangle, and after that you are going to measure these two lines. It is 2.4 centimeter and 3.4 centimeter. Okay, and what is the next step? You have to write down the steps. After that, calculation of area using the value H1 and H2. Clear children? This is how we will draw the seventh sum.